an educational only channel. I'll walk you through my methods. Hopefully we'll have some fun along the way. Grow me's, I'm just an old fart having fun. In my 2x2 and my 3x3. How about that? Appreciate all ya, I really do, heck, I even love ya. Grow me's.
Good afternoon, Grow Me. Today is Wednesday, February the 18th, and we got another mail call. Oh my God. Miss K saved the day yesterday. Turned the otherwise it would have been a crappy day into a wonderful day. I had a crappy start this morning. And Miss Mary at Grow and Grind turned it into another fantastic day. Oh my God. So much stuff here. I'm trying to get it all out here, Grummies. Oh my God, Mary. I wasn't expecting all this. I thought I just won some beans in your wonderful giveaway. Yeah, y'all gotta check out Miss Mary. She always has awesome giveaways, awesome support to the community. You gotta jump on her channel and sub her up, man. Yeah. I like that. A little slappy. Little grow bags, Slappy. I gotta talk to my girl over grow bags too. They owe me a little kickback, and I need to order up. Yeah. More Slappy. Man, y'all gonna turn me into a monster. My poor little tent's gonna be slapped all to hell here shortly. Yeah. More slaps. I gotta see. Is this Miss Mary? Is this one different than the one I already got up here? I already got you up here, Mary. But I'm gonna pop this one in my 2x2. AC Spider Farmer ain't earned none yet. But my little AC Infinity 2x2 is gonna get you right on up in there, honey. Hell yeah. Stick us out to Yang Yang, baby. I love it. Thank you very much. Yes, indeedy. Can definitely put that to use. Hell yeah. Grow bags. Most excellent. I'll use these for my personal. Hell yeah. I really like that one right there, Mary. I gotta get me some custom ones like that old fat buds up on that tractor. With a net mounted on the front of it, trying to run down Miss K. Hell yeah. Look at that, man. Just fucking grow it. I'm gonna rig me up a little spot here and hang this sucker right on in the tent. Hell yeah. Ain't got a lot of uses for this. Thank you very much, Mary. And I was in desperate need of some new snips. They are nice looking snips, Mary. And you know me, I don't fear the fisker. The little ladies, they fear me when I got them in my hand, though. And we got some gelato autos. Gelato and OG Kush. That's gonna be that should be a nice little cross there. I can't wait to run it. I'm gonna do a little mixed match running this 3x3 with the autos here shortly. I'm gonna run. I might run 6 2-gallon pots. Kind of do a sea of green with 6 different strains of autos. Have a little fun with it. Yeah. Oops. Don't want to show them things. You get a slap in the face real quick from YouTube. Hell yeah. I ain't gonna handle my cheese right now. I think you don't fool with your plant too much. YouTube will leave you alone. Wishful thinking anyways. They're coming along nicely though. They're gonna be some chunky monkeys. Hey, I love y'all. Appreciate you very much, Mary. And Rob. Can't leave Rob out. Have a fantastic day. I'm out of here. Peace.